Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax Clearwater, and let me just say how honored and excited I am to be debuting Aviara luxury boats exclusively offered by MarineMax. Today I'm here at the Miami International Boat Show, and I'll be taking you through the 32 Aviara luxury day boat. So the boat is offered in two different configurations. Today I'm standing on the Outboard Power Mercury Joystick piloted twin 300s. As you look across the transom, you can see it has the beautiful sea deck, feels really good on your feet. But I want to take you through a couple of features here in the transom that are going to set this luxury day boat apart from any other product on the market. Let's look at the seating, okay? So first, we have this layered lounger right here, okay? So right here, this is where all the kids and the family go in and out of the water. This is really where you want to relax. But what about everybody else that wants to take part of that enjoyment as well? So you come over here and you actually have Barstool Seating. Check this out. So now not only are we underneath the extended sure shade, I'm sitting back here on a cushioned bar stool that has a slight suspension to it. Your better half is reclining right here as well. And if you don't like this configuration, you can simply return it to its original location. How nice is that? So all of this material is called Cool Feel Vinyl. It stays the same temperature in the shade as it does in the sun. It's new technology. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, here's the wet bar. The wet bar is designed to hold 3 champagne bottles, freshwater rinsing, tons of storage space throughout the boat. Super cool technology here, fully insulated cooler. There's many different options for this boat. On this particular boat, we've optioned just the storage container, storage space. On our stern drive boat, we actually have a nice refrigerator there as well. There is storage underneath every seat in this cockpit. As we move forward over here to the joystick, those of you that are familiar with the outstanding Mercury products, you'll notice that we have the joystick with skyhook technology, twin sticks, Lenco trim tabs, comes with the Garmin, and this is super cool technology. All of your switches are gone. Everything is designed to be activated right here. We'll transition from the helm into the head compartment, which is very spacious. Storage containers to starboard, easy access to all your electronics wiring also. Now, as you can see, I'm about 5'6", and you are definitely inside the boat. It is not one of the boats where you feel like you're going to be falling out of, right, when you're at speed. If we can, real quick, let's look up at the hardtop. The hardtop is just phenomenal. It's very sturdy. If you were to peel back the fiberglass, you would see all of the bracing on the inside. This hardtop does not shake, shimmy, or rattle when you're at speed, even in rough seas. Come on with me to the bow. Luxury day boating, that's what we're branding, right? Luxury day boating. As you move forward into the bow and you take a seat here, you are inside this boat. There is no way when you're doing 55 miles an hour on this boat, most other boats you don't want to be in the bow area. This one, you absolutely can. It can take it. So Aviara is a brand. We are making these boats in Tennessee. They have Italian or European styling cues taken, but it is a 100% American-made boat, right? If you would like to hear more about this boat or any of our other products, you could absolutely come see me, ask me any questions. My name is Vincent Martone. I work at MarineMax Clearwater, and I'm here debuting at the Miami International Boat Show, Aviara Luxury Day Boats. Thank you very much.